Hey, it's Leah with your latest tech update. Many of us rely on Microsoft Teams to communicate and collaborate with our colleagues. It's a great way to share information quickly. But new research shows nearly half of employees frequently shared confidential and sensitive files on Teams. Worse still, 51% say they've shared business-critical information, and 48% have sent a message they shouldn't have, possibly even to the wrong person. That's not a problem if you're only using secure work devices. But when your people use unsecured personal devices to send files, you could have a major security issue. Make sure everyone understands the risks of sharing data on personal devices and what precautions will keep data safe. We suggest regular cybersecurity awareness training for everyone. It can actually be fun. Get in touch and we'll tell you more. That's your tech update. More next week.